Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and in this episode we are going to be talking about Bitcoin. Will it hold its current levels? Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. Yo, Fasan, what's up? Amaze, this Chicken Egg, Ripping for Wars, this Dragon, and Bitcoin Jakes. It's Rockets. All right, emotes all over the place. Emotes everywhere. Sorry about being here late, guys. It was Ash Wednesday, so I had to go get Ash. And I'm here. So yeah, let's get the technicals going. Again, strips are gonna be short for the short term, but we'll see how today goes, right? So again, not super clear yet. I've been getting a lot of coughs still, so you're gonna see, right? Keep the lighting in the room. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. It is an actual picture. This was the actual lighting that I had, but right now it's actually a blue screen. I do have that painting, and this was my wall. So we could update the stream. This had to become basically the blue screen. So let's go to the screen where the magic happens. Here we are. Right on. So market cap going down a bit. We talked about that rejection here of the fee of retracement. That's fine. We still have not gotten above 2 trillion. That is our target for a potential low bottom to be confirmed to get above this previous high here. Confirm wanting to be reversing, right? Again, low point here on the wick, low point here in the wick. That's what we're considering for the double bottom, not the closings, but the wicks. And if it's to play, we should still be looking for a break again above this here target. So 2 trillion price to beat. Not a lot going on as far as bearishness or bullishness since yesterday. So I'm just going to move on to the Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is just more or less moving sideways from where we're at, right? So we did drop a little bit in price yesterday, but we're almost where we opened. So not a lot going on, going down a bit, 0.37%. Yesterday, we went down 1.14%. Is there here something that is bearish? Well, I think there is. I think we might have created some hidden divergence. I'm not sure yet. So high, and then a lower high here on the price. High to low and high. Are we going low to high here? No, I think we're also going from a high point, yep, to a low point. So there's nothing bearish. But remember we said we want to flag after getting that impulse up. So we're starting to potentially flag and consolidate this level, which is what we called for. And it's not looking bad. All right, it's looking okay so far. Here's about 59.01 on the RSI. And here, right, here's where it's important. We are losing that 43,123. There's another line that we have at 44,000. It shows up in the shorter time scales. It's not a big one for this chart here on the daily, but on the 4 hour, on the daily, we are breaking below 43,123. So that gets us to where if we don't reclaim this today, because we opened almost right on that line, right? We opened at 43,927. We have it at 43,923. So it's like $4 above that line where we opened at. So if we don't reclaim that area, yes, we could be looking for a drop for maybe 40,996, right? That will be our target, and I'm moving down. So not bad. Again, also nothing bearish going on. I think, nothing bearish going on here on this chart either. So let's go here to this 4 hour chart and see what's happening with Bitcoin, right? All right, Bitcoin. Bearish divergence. We knew we had it. Potential fraction of downside. We're moving down slightly, not with a lot of strength. We have not gone for that 20 moving average. That's probably a move I called for. And on that move, we should be looking for a potential bounce still, maybe get some continuation. However, the inverse head and shoulders pattern, we've hit completion, right, on the measure move. We already hit it yesterday. And right now we're just basically moving sideways. Not a lot. Any moving down maybe to a 20 moving average. We'll be going from a low point to a higher low at the 20 moving average, negative momentum, potentially more negative momentum, right? And that's going to create some hidden bullish divergence. And that's going to get us to pump back up a bit, right? So again, bought at 66.19. Not a lot happening here on on the RSI. Again, that's okay for now. On the 4 hour chart, right? On the 4 hour chart, you can see that rejection of that $44,200 mark that I was talking about, right? That 44,000 mark. Yeah, don't want to have it in the daily because it's too close to that 43,000. It just makes some noise, but we know it's a potential area for rejection. We rejected it a couple times right now. We're moving back below it. Like I said, this target here, this area here, has been crucial, right? We have been unable to get back above that 43,000, and then even close and sustain above 44,000, which is an area that we want to get above, right? After that, we're looking at 45,000 if we want to pump back up. But for now, there's really not a lot going on there that would say or suggest that we should still be looking for more action to the upside. So we're going to go here, zoom back out a bit, see if there's anything going on here that is bullish. There isn't. Again, waiting for some hidden bullish divergence to develop, maybe get that pop, create more bearish divergence before we break back down, right? On the 1 hour, bearish divergence action to downside. We did go for a small pop here. We did create some hidden divergence, right? So let's go by steps here. The first step, I think, is I was looking at this earlier. I can't remember if it was against the MACD or the RSI, but I was looking at this, and let me zoom in here real quick. Just want to make sure I'm going to get this right. We don't have it here. Low to high, low, high as well. All right, so I can't remember. I think I thought I had spotted some divergence earlier today when I was looking at the chart. Maybe I didn't, or maybe we recovered from it. But there is some bearish divergence, right? So some strong bearish divergence that did develop, and that one I remember looking out for, and just said let's just wait and see how this is going to play out. I don't think it's going to be super strong yet, and it hasn't been a strong move. Again, this would still anchor from here all the way down here, right? It's going from positive to negative. It's going to negative here, still going to negative, so we're getting that small rejection, right? So again, nothing super crazy going on here on the chart now. Low, right, to a slightly higher point, negative momentum to a slightly lower point, I guess, and low to less negative. So we're not really creating a lot right now. Waiting for Bitcoin to do something. Again, the bearishness is not pulling us down with a lot of strength, and that's something that we talked about. Said we gotta wait and see, right? We gotta wait and see if that bearish divergence was gonna break us down, right? So this bearish divergence didn't break us down with strength. This one is also not bringing us down with strength yet. So we are trying to hold, which is okay. But again, we're not super bullish, right? We're still on stumbling steps on Bitcoin, I would say, right? So low to high, negative, less negative, and a low point to about the same. So we're not going to go with any kind of divergence yet that is bullish. We're just going to wait. We haven't developed it yet, so we got to wait for some bullish divergence to develop. That would indicate maybe that continuation to the upside. And like I said, right, on the 4 hour, get that new run coming up here right after that flagging we're getting, or maybe even hitting the 20 moving average, right? If we keep on moving sideways, we're going to hit that 20 moving average is going to keep climbing. We're going to hit it at some one time. We're going to probably try to go for a bounce. Right? Again, hidden. We might create some hidden divergence by the time we get there. Right? So let's see for Bitcoin. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum, 2,926. Again, it's trying to hold. It did reject this area here, that fib retracement at 3,038. I think that's a 336 fib retracement on the larger scales. Yeah, 236 that we're rejecting. And we're waiting, right? We're waiting also for Bitcoin to do something. That is the game Ethereum is playing. Ethereum is just following the core. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish, neutral at 53.10. And again, Ethereum hasn't really been doing a lot by itself. On the 4 hour, we're still holding or trying to hold to this neckline, right? For the inverse head and shoulders. But Ethereum didn't go for its measure move. And that's because although Bitcoin's stagnating, Ethereum's not strong enough to move yet. I think Ethereum's really scared and is waiting to see what Bitcoin's going to do before it actually moves, right? Jake says, join Discord. We talk prices. Sometimes you might get a free alpha. Maybe that we call Bitcoin. Yeah. All right. So neutral at 56.10. And yeah, join the Discord, guys. Join the Discord. Links up there at top of the chat, pinned. If you're on Twitch, it's also there. It's gone out to the chat, right? So stuff happening. Stuff happening. Let's keep rolling. So again, we are having this bearish divergence, right? Potential for action downside, starting to move down a bit. Like I said, not a lot of strength. And it's really not doing a lot by itself. So let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, look at that. Bullish divergence. Taking a small pump, right? Then we created some bearish divergence, I think. Did we? Did we create bearish divergence? What was the closing here? 3,020. 3,018, slightly less. Also less and less. So no bearish divergence yet. We're getting a lot of tightness in the Bollinger Bands, right? On Bitcoin and Ethereum. We got to wait for a break to happen. And it looks like we want to push the Bollinger Bands to the downside. I hope we don't. But like I said, there's really not a lot of bullishness in the market right now. We're just waiting. And hopefully we can break to the upside. But right now, it looks as though we might push and try to go for that support of 1,891 here in Ethereum. On that note, we're going to do a real quick Rune. I want to see what happened with Rune. Rune was doing really good, so... Right on. Rune at $5.37. It's flagging. All right, cool. So we said potential flagging. Yes, flagging. Great. We had bearish divergence, so it's all good. Right above that 786. It's fine. It's just taking a break. It's taking a breather. It took a very, very nice impulse up, 37%. And then before that, 14%. So very, very nice here on Rune. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. Look at that. Boom. Inverse head and shoulders. Playing to the upside. Very nice. Again, impulse up, flagging. We're starting to consolidate. It's looking okay. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. We're seeing bought at 85.45. 1-hour chart here on this. 43.8 crypto bullish counter indicator. Sorry, Car, I think I didn't get it. Good news. I think they got me breaking above 44,000. Closing candles below 38. Yeah. We gotta wait for a break above 44,000, man, and hopefully getting above that 45,000, right? So again, we were looking for bearish divergence, moved down a bit. Even though we climbed even slightly more, if we would have kept on tracking this move, right? Because we left after we were live, so keep on tracking, you would have noticed there was still bearish divergence, actually a downside, taking that small break below 20 moving average, and right now we're struggling to reclaim it, so it's not looking super hot. The only good thing that we have going on here is that there's hidden divergence, right? It's coming almost from that 786 spot on here. And that's part of the reason that we're climbing to hit that 20 moving average, right? The hidden divergence getting us to rally a bit, but really not creating a lot, right? Just hidden divergence, going for that 20, hitting it, rejecting, right? Not super strong. Some tightness of the one band starting to come back in. If we were claiming the 20, good shot that we could try to rally back up and then maybe create more bearish divergence, right? It's not going to be a super strong move, or at least I don't think it should be a super strong move. We're getting exhausted of the rally, right? Particularly after this rally, right? So if we rally, it's going to be probably a lot less higher than this run, and we should create bearish divergence and then break back down from there, right? Market maker, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here, man. All right, so let's keep rolling here. Someone said API 3, so let's check it. Oh, we have an API 3 chart that we have looked at in the past. $7.22. All right, let's get there on the daily. What is happening? We didn't have a lot going on again above 236 on the retracement. That's fine. You're just trying to pull back up. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Neutral at 61.58. Again, like I said, we're really not doing a lot here. We're looking for recovery, but we're not getting there yet. And it wouldn't be weird if we just consolidated a bit more before we run, right? So it's not really doing anything super crazy on the daily. Let's go to that 4-hour. I think we had more interesting stuff here. Yeah. Remember, triangle consolidation, breaking to the upside. We're looking for the bearish divergence, so we said there's probably a chance we might not get there. Bitcoin keeps on rallying. We said we could. Bitcoin hasn't rallied, so we're starting to come back down again below at 236. Right now, we're claiming it. Broke slightly below at 20, but we created some hidden bullish divergence. That's why we rallied, right? Okay, this move here, hidden bullish divergence, right? Potential for action to the upside, and we got our action to the upside. Very, very nice move here on API 3. And that is the reason that, again, we're getting that small rally to happen. I'm going to switch back to blue, mainly because we do patterns in blue. And for some reason, I've left them in yellow, and then it just throws everything off, right? Because our divergences is what we do in yellow. So I'll go back to blue again. Hidden bullish, getting that rally. We need to get above this previous high here at $8.13 if we want to keep on going higher. Otherwise, it just could be a sucker's rally, right? We could get some action to downside, start consolidating this level still. We'll see. Let's go to the 1 hour. Market Wizard. What's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here. Brian Mills, how am I doing? I'm doing better, man. Still have a cough, so no full streams for the short term, just short streams, but still recovering, man. Still recovering from the Rona. Still not at 100%. I really wish I was just at 100%. It just sucks, though. Anyways, bullish divergence, action to the upside, getting above that 20 moving average, also getting above that 236. Like I said, there is bullish divergence strong here on this chart. Without the potential for action to the upside, we are getting that action to the upside. Nothing bearish, right? Coming from a high point to a lower point. Positive momentum, less positive momentum, and high on the R side to a lower point on the R side. Nothing bearish here. Pretty good looking for this, right? Room for horses. Did I catch the pre-stream? Probably I didn't, man. I just rushed in. There was a pre-stream request for XRP. All right. Let's do the XRP, man. The Sharpie. Where XRP at, man? Last time I saw it, it rally, had a crazy rally a couple days ago. Then I haven't really been following up with XRP, but let's go check it. XRP at 76 cents. All right, so 3/4, man. 3/4. All right. I think this is a rally I saw on XRP. This one or this one. It was some insane rally going on. But right now, just consolidating, getting above that 76-cent mark. Again, right now we're slightly below it, but it is a support, right? The only thing that sucks is that we're below the 20. That 20 in that area is going to get a sandwich, right? So we have, again, overhead pressure from the 20 where we need to get above that resistance. And we have immediate pressure at support at 46,339. We're breaking below it slightly, but again, I don't believe that break is good until we break and go back down to that 72 cent mark, 72.57. So for now, XRP starting to consolidate, looking okay. We didn't have anything bullish, I think. Yep, we created some hidden bullish. All right, that works. Hidden bullish divergence on the XRP. What sorcery is this? All right, so from the lowest point, I'm just going to take the low point here. It's the same thing. If I just anchor way back here, it's still the same. I'm just going over data. I don't want to go over data, so we're going to leave it there. Again, hidden divergence, getting the pop, hitting the 20, rejecting it slightly, and right now, like I said, getting sandwiched between that 20 and that support. And again, that just pressure is going to get it to where we break. And either way we break, it could be a strong move. So just watch out for it. Breaking out of levels usually comes with impulses, right? So neutral at 51.11. Again, nothing on the bearish side. The last thing we had hidden bullish. And I think that's part of the reason that we saw XRP rallying. And again, for our chart, not a lot going on, I guess. Some bearish divergence, strong, putting pressure on that price again. We're getting contradicting data. Daily says bullish, 4 hours says bearish, right? So if you're trading on the 4 hour, you should be expecting a movement down. We're getting it again to support right now the 20 moving average. Also trying to be support here at 76.19 cents. We're at 76.16. So slightly below that target with that XRP. If it loses a 20, it could be going for a movement down. Like I said, 72.57 cents would be a nice target here. Low, higher low, negative momentum, less negative momentum on the our side, low to high. Nothing on the bullishness, nothing on the bullish side. So, dude, okay, let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart. Right on. So, bearish divergence, right? We had because it's no longer at play, I think. We had bearish divergence way back here in XRP, and that's what started that moving down, right? So, again, high to low, right? Positive, less positive, high to low. Coming down that coming support, that 20 moving out, sorry, that 76.33 cent mark, also below 20 here. So, not super bullish yet, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. A drop, any drops slightly lower than this previous low here, which we closed at 76.07. And it break below there. It's gonna be going low, lower low, negative momentum, less negative momentum, right? So strong bullish divergence is gonna start to come in, and that could get us to where we try to rally again. We don't have it right now, but that's what we could expect to maybe develop here. And then we might get a sort of pump, depending on what Bitcoin does, right? Again, everything in the market is Bitcoin dependent. That's why I always say it depends on what Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin does good, we should be looking for a rally to continue parallel, right? Drinking some tea. I think it's mint. Carthigo says, still sitting on a stack of Sharpie. Potential lottery ticket. I had XRP a while back. I sold it. I was gonna buy back up. I sold it before, right after the Flare token drop, which I'm still wondering, when are we gonna get Flare? When is Flare gonna be given to us? I haven't seen a Flare drop. And that XRP thing was a while back now. Anyways, I sold my XRP right after Flare. I said I was going to buy back in. I didn't. And I'm glad because I got into other cryptos with that, and my money's doing a lot better. But yes, at some point in time, I am going to want to get back into some XRP and see how that performs, particularly once we get some more clarity on what's going to happen with the SEC. Because, right, I know when that happens, it's just going to blow up and then go to like freaking over $1. But for now, it's still high risk, particularly since we're not getting any clarity. I think they're going to win the lawsuit. but you know, who knows? In the end, it's still up in the air, and there can still be surprises coming in, and we're just gonna have to wait and see how that rolls with XRP. At least as far as I know, that's where it's at, right? Also, I have not been looking at a lot of crypto news lately, guys, so it's just been me getting rest. All right, so Bitcoin still undecided. Again, spinning top, sort of spinning top, not quite a prettiest looking spinning top, but just indecision. Like I said, consolidation, not looking bad. I think we've gone through everything that you guys requested so far. Oil tapped at 114. Yeah. Yeah, I remember what I said, that oil could still go higher, maybe 120, 130. It wouldn't be unheard of. That's going to put pressure on the economy, right? Not just the U.S. economy, but the global economy as a whole, because if the price of oil keeps going up, then the price of gas is going to go up in return. And once that price of gas goes up, we're going to start seeing issues, right? We're going to start seeing problems where goods start to become more expensive, right? So yeah, it's going to be an interesting thing. So this whole Russia sanction things, it's going to kick back some. We don't know yet how much, but it's going to have a kickback on other economies, not just the U.S. economy. That's going to be interesting to see. It's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen there with oil prices and how they're going to end up impacting the goods towards the end, right? So, yeah. What else? Like I said a short stream. We've been live for about 24 minutes, and I cannot. I don't want to overdo it, so I'm gonna probably call it a stream for tonight. Get some rest for the voice and the cough. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. Again, we're gonna be in Vegas. We're gonna be in Vegas from the 10th to the 13th. If anyone wants to join, there's still room for people to join us at Vegas. Again, room's already covered, so all you gotta do is just get your plane ticket and cover your meals. That's it. Vegas is gonna be a good stream. We're gonna be streaming there for about 3 days. We're gonna have a good get together with the state of crypto community. Some of the members are gonna be going there, so it's gonna be awesome. And that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Again, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. You join us on that Discord, right? Links have gone out, so remember, all the information that we provide is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not sure if Jake's gonna go live. He does stream sometimes. So I'm just gonna wait on confirmation from Jake. So if Jake's gonna go live, he might post his video link here. Go check him out. I think he just talks crypto in general. He might do some markets. I'm not sure. He talks NFTs. He talks other stuff. So make sure you go hang out with Jake if he streams. Again, I'm not sure if you're gonna stream or not, but that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Again, if you enjoy the content, like, bell, sub. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Jake says he's too busy, so no stream, I guess. Yeah, guys, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.